yet. No.
No?
Yeah.
Hi, Jonathan. We're making it ready for you. Hope you know that.
Lena.
Hi. What to say?
I know you want to say more than that.
Hi.
What else?
Hi.
What else?
Hi.
Hi,
Hi, Jonathan.
You're so retarded.
Just talk to you, Archie, okay?
You're so weird.
Okay, I'm asking you, do you want...
Sorry.
Okay, you want to talk to your wifey then? Talk to your wifey?
Christine, you record since you're talking on the phone.
Hey, you happy want to talk to you?
Hello?
Huh?
Dance, Lena.
I want to dance. Hi. Nothing. What you doing? Hi.
I look so fucked up.
Are you
Daddy with big boobs.
Go do something.
Does that look like I have big boobs? I look ugly.
Why? No, please.
I'm gonna be pink.
Yeah,
I have big boobs.
Go run around.
I felt like. Oh my God, Christina!
Girls, go to wow.
You're so gross. You're so retarded, girl.
Sure.
Wait, let me change the song. Two steps.
Why would I lie about that? Why would I lie about that? Huh? Why would I lie?
Prank that monkey.
I'm not lying. Why would I lie about that?
Dude, we're not even. Oops, I wrote stuff on my
I'm
bag.
not lying to you.
Two steps.
Hey, it's a pizza here?
Yeah, it is.
No,
Does it hear the doorbell?
because that wasn't. Is it?